Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into how you can take control of your life by commanding your own reality. It's easy to feel as though life simply happens to you, but the truth is, you hold the power to shape your experiences. It's not about wishing for something better, it's about creating it. By aligning your thoughts and beliefs with your desires, you can start living the life you've always dreamed of. Let's explore how you can begin commanding your own reality and manifest the life you truly desire. Your thoughts are the building blocks of your reality. Every idea you hold in your mind shapes your experiences, whether consciously or unconsciously. To command your reality, you must first understand that your thoughts are not just fleeting ideas, they have real power. When you focus on a specific thought or belief long enough, it starts to take shape in your life. The more intense and clear your focus, the stronger the influence it has on the world around you. Changing the way you think can change your reality. It's not about ignoring your current circumstances but shifting your perspective and belief in what is possible. Once you start to view yourself as the creator of your own reality, everything begins to shift. Your thoughts begin to reflect the life you desire, and the world around you begins to change in response to your new mindset. One of the most potent tools for commanding your reality is your imagination. The imagination is not just a place where daydreams reside, it is a powerful, creative force that can shape your reality. When you visualize the life you want, you begin to imprint that vision onto your subconscious mind. Over time, your mind becomes conditioned to accept that vision as your truth, which is then reflected in your external experiences. This is where the idea of living as if your dreams have already come true becomes powerful. By vividly imagining yourself in the situation you desire, you condition your mind to make it a reality. Whether it's visualizing a successful career, an ideal relationship, or financial abundance, the clearer and more frequent your imaginations, the more your reality begins to mirror those dreams. Belief plays a central role in commanding your reality. What you truly believe, at the deepest level, is what will manifest in your life. If you believe that success is for others and not for you, then your reality will reflect that belief. If you believe that success, love, and abundance are yours for the taking, your world will begin to mirror those beliefs. To command your reality, you must first confront and transform any limiting beliefs you hold. This requires self-awareness and the willingness to let go of old, limiting ideas. By replacing those beliefs with empowering ones, you create a new foundation for the life you desire. Affirmations are an essential tool when it comes to commanding your reality. Repeating positive statements that align with your desires sends powerful signals to your subconscious mind. By affirming your desired outcomes, you reinforce your belief that these things are possible and already on their way to you. It's not just about saying the words, it's about truly feeling them in the present moment, as if they are already true. When you use affirmations, speak them with confidence and conviction. Imagine yourself living the life you're affirming. For example, if you're striving for abundance, you might say, "I am worthy of financial freedom, and abundance flows effortlessly into my life." This reinforces your belief and sends a clear message to your mind and the universe that this reality is already unfolding. Repeating these affirmations daily shifts your mindset and helps to manifest your desires more rapidly. While it's important to focus on your desires and visualize them, it's just as important to let go of the need to control how or when they will manifest. The universe has its own timing, and the act of releasing attachment to a specific outcome allows it to unfold naturally. Trust that what is meant for you will come at the perfect time. Letting go also means surrendering any fears or doubts you may have about whether your dreams will come true. When you release these negative emotions, you free yourself to fully accept the positive beliefs and desires that will bring you the life you want. Letting go of control and trusting the process is often the hardest part of manifesting, but it is also one of the most powerful actions you can take to command your reality. Manifestation isn't just about thinking and visualizing, it also requires taking inspired action. When you feel drawn to do something, whether it's making a phone call, starting a project, or even changing your environment, listen to that inner guidance. Inspired action is different from forced action, it's the action you feel compelled to take because it aligns with your desires. By following this inner guidance, you reinforce your commitment to your dreams and open the doors for them to manifest. It's about being open to opportunities and stepping into the actions that feel right for you, even if they don't always make logical sense at first. These actions are the universe's way of showing you the next step toward your dream life. Gratitude is one of the most powerful forces in manifesting your desires. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you raise your vibrational frequency and attract more of what you want. Gratitude helps to shift your focus from lack to abundance. When you feel thankful for the present moment and the blessings you have, you open the floodgates for more good things to come into your life. Make gratitude a daily practice. Start by listing 3 things you're grateful for each day, no matter how small. This simple habit rewires your brain to focus on abundance rather than scarcity. As you continue to feel gratitude for your life, you'll start to notice that your reality begins to reflect that abundance in every aspect. Once you've transformed your thoughts and beliefs, it's important to make sure that your actions align with your desires. You can't expect to manifest a successful business if you're not taking any steps toward building it. Alignment is about making sure that your day-to-day actions reflect your higher goals. If you desire a loving relationship, for example, take steps to improve your communication and deepen your understanding of yourself and others. If you want financial abundance, consider how you can improve your skills or seek new opportunities. Aligning your actions with your desires reinforces your belief that your dreams are already coming true. Manifestation is a journey, not a destination. Trusting the process means understanding that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to life. Even when things aren't immediately apparent or you're facing obstacles, trust that everything is unfolding as it should. Every setback or challenge is an opportunity to learn, grow, and get closer to your dream life. The key to trusting the process is patience. Trust that everything will come to you at the right time. When you stay consistent in your thoughts, actions, and beliefs, the universe will respond with opportunities, synchronicities, and people who can help you move closer to your goals. To command your reality, it's crucial to stay present in the moment. Living in the now allows you to fully engage with life and align your energy with your desires. When you're too focused on the future or dwelling on the past, you miss the opportunities that are right in front of you. Being present also means taking ownership of your feelings and actions in the moment. The more you engage with life in a positive and mindful way, the more you attract positive outcomes. Accept the present moment and know that by doing so, you are building the foundation for the life you desire. Now that you have a better understanding of how to command your reality, it's time to take action. You have the power to shape your experiences through your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. The more aligned you are with your desires and the more you trust the process, the quicker your dream life will begin to manifest. Believe in your power, take inspired action, and watch as your reality begins to shift. Manifesting your dream life starts with a single thought, and with time and consistency, you'll create the life you've always wanted. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content to help you command your reality.